One of the most common things I hear from business leaders is, I know we need Salesforce, but I'm just not a technical person. I'm afraid I'll be at the mercy of a consultant and end up with a system I don't really understand. Well, if that's you, I have some great news for you. You don't need to know how to write code to lead a successful Salesforce project. In fact, being non-technical might actually be your greatest advantage. Hi, everybody. I'm Erica from CloudTrails. Today, I'm sharing 3 reasons why your business brain matters more than your tech brain. Reason number 1, business logic over code. Let's remember that Salesforce is just a tool to automate your business logic. As a leader, you know why a lead needs to be followed up with in 24 hours. You know what information your team needs to close the deal. A consultant can write the code or the configuration, but they cannot tell you how your business should run. Your job isn't to build the engine, it's to tell the mechanic where the car needs to go. If you can explain your process on a whiteboard, you've already done the hardest part of this entire technical space. Reason number 2, the why protects your budget. Being non-technical keeps you focused on the why. Technical teams sometimes get excited about the cool features that we don't actually move the needle. When you stay focused on the business outcome, like I need my team to spend less time on data entry and more time on calls, you actually act as a natural filter against overcomplication. Your lack of technical jargon is actually a superpower. It forces your partner to speak in plain English and ensures you aren't paying for bells and whistles that your team will never use. Reason number 3. Adoption is a human challenge. This is the final and most important reason of them all. Salesforce success isn't a technical challenge, it's a human challenge. The best coded system in the world is a failure if your team refuses to use it. Success depends on training, clear expectations, and leadership. Things you're already great at. You don't need to understand validation rules or cadence building to understand if your sales reps are actually logging their calls in the system. Your focus on change management is what actually creates the ROI here, not the technical configuration. At CloudTrails, we specialize in working with teams that are not technical. We see ourselves as translators. We take your business goals and translate them into something stable and simple so that you and your team can use them. You bring the business expertise, we bring the technical execution. Together, that's how we build a system that actually grows your revenue without giving you a headache. The bottom line here, don't let the technical scare you away from the growth your business deserves. You bring the vision and we'll handle the heavy lifting under the hood. As we like to say, let us focus on Salesforce and you focus on business. If you're ready to stop being intimidated by Salesforce and start making it work for you, come check us out at cloudtrails.com and let's see how we can translate your business requirements into technical magic in Salesforce for you and your team.